Eat these food types for healthy kidneys. Weight loss program is vital for kidney disease patients. Your food intake may cause, prevent, or perhaps help release pain and symptoms. Dietitians might help determine an eating plan that's specific to every patient, but there's a couple of foods which are full of diet, lower in potassium, taste great, and therefore are fabulous for everybody. So, if you wish to really make a difference on your own or a loved one who's battling with kidney disease, go on and prepare them an excellent meal, lend a listening ear when they have to talk, or perhaps donate your vehicle for charitable organization. You will be helping these to feel good. Egg whites. For those who have kidney problems, you'll need protein with less phosphorus. This is where egg whites come up because these have protein and less phosphorus when compared with other protein sources. Bear in head that those with kidney problems should avoid egg yolks. Cauliflower. The easiest method to prepare cauliflower would be to boil it and add pepper and salt. However, this flowery vegetable is definitely an enemy for harmful toxins within your body. The cauliflower is wealthy in indoles, glucosinolates, and thiocyanates that bumps off all of the toxic waste within your body. Fish. Fish dishes are well liked by seaside residents, but because of our well-connected roads, fish can be getted to metropolitan quantity national. It costs more, but fish has anti-inflammatory fats, omega-3, that may reduce kidney problems. Fish additionally, it a great source for proteins. Get it any way you want it, crispy, baked, or perhaps in amazing coconut curry.